Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you an app I created. Doesn't have much information, save to just show you some understanding of HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and SCSS. I'm going to be demonstrating its functionality. Okay, the project is in this folder called Bootstrap. Inside this one called First Project, we have 3 folders and a couple of files. This CSS folder has a stylesheet.css file, and we have an images folder which has all the images used for this project. We have a Sass_Koala folder with another folder called main Sass. Inside that one we have 2 more folders, the css.sass file. In the css file we have files main.css and a main.css.map. And in the Sass folder we have a file called main.css. And we also have a page called success.html. Is based on this Sass_Koala folder. I'm going to start with this file called atlet.html. And this is how it looks like. A couple of text and a few images, but also a table with styling either external or in the local global area of the HTML page. I'll show that later. This page has a mobile responsive and media query that changes the athletic one part into atlet to suit smaller with screens. This is also something I have on this page here called spirituality. Let's go to it. See, it says faith here. When you increase the screen wider, it changes to spirituality. I made a point to do different backgrounds just for visual effect. All the pages are linked to one another. This one has a couple of images as well. At the bottom it has this link, acts of kindness, that takes you to the SCSS page called success.html, the one within the Sass_Koala page. For sole purpose to just demonstrate the inheritance and nesting aspect of SCSS. So it takes you back to the parent page in spirituality, or takes you to this other page called index. I consider the main one. Let's go there. It's a simple page with a few text, styled texting and a few images as well, and links to other pages. Let's check the script writing one first. There's a couple of images and text, more images, and at the bottom we have Bootstrap 4, just to demonstrate the Bootstrap grid model when you flex the page. So this is what it does. When you shrink it, get this part fitting the width the way you want, so you still see everything. If you shrink it further, you'll see everything. Okay, that's that. Also links here. Check out this one called Carrier. Starts with an image, text, more images, simple page. Okay, so that's it. The web. I'll show you more about the code. Okay, so this is the project. Inside of it, I'll show you first the Sass_Koala folder. Inside, let's start with the Sass folder. Okay, so this main SCSS folder, what happens is you write your code here. It's written simpler, and as you can see, it's written slightly different from the way you will do the CSS. But then this main.css.map links to the main CSS file, so that you don't have to write all this. This is automated straight from the SCSS to the CSS. This is for the purpose of browsers, because browsers only recognize CSS. Okay, so that's it for this app of mine. Hope you like it. Please visit again later on to see the full developed website. Be blessed.